many of you look in your closet and see your high, tall boots look like this, folded over? There's got to be a better way. Over time, you can see the bend in the crease has started to wear. And it also wears because I cross my legs around the same place when I have them on. But I need them to stand up in my closet. I don't want to throw these out because I can use them for other things other than dress boots. I can go around the backyard and work outside with these because they're definitely not up to wearing out. But I have another pair that I like to keep good. The item that I chose to use in my boot is pool noodles. So, this is a pool noodle that I have measured out. Let's see if I can show you the line here. From there to the very end is 15 inches. So I'm going to cut it in 15-inch increments with my electric knife. Here we go. And another 15. How easy was that? As slick as can be. Also have to do is stuff them in the boots now. Okay. Let's put this in my black pair. Standing up straight and tall. Now, I had 2 pairs of boots. I purchased 2 pool noodles at the Dollar Tree, so it cost me $2. Solved my problem, and I'll show you before and after picture in my closet. Hang tight. It's been really easy and super fun to do.